Now that we're all flattened out here on the edges, we're going to turn our attention inside the boat, trying to get this 17-gallon fuel tank fitted to sit underneath the deck. The issue we're having is we need to build a little platform for it, because otherwise it's not going to be able to support its own weight. So we've got this little panel mocked up that's going to lay down flat. It's upside down right now. We're tapering this, both edges, so that it'll lay in the boat. We got the front marked here. We're going to start bringing this edge in to compensate for the angle of the bow coming together.
You want to put it in the middle?
Yeah.
It looks better already. Much better. Yeah, it's sitting on it.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm going to check the front. Yeah, we'll take this platform out and epoxy it a couple of coats.
Yeah. Well, I might be able to just run it right along it.
Yeah.
So we're working on our floor. Basically what we need to do is scribe this entire length here, because it's going to be a shorter distance across there than it will be down here.
Slightly curved.
Slightly curved, so there's no easy way to measure it. So the easiest way to do it is to scribe it. So we've got this T-square, drywall T-square in here. We're going to use this to easily see our distance here. So this is going to ride along here. The T-square will keep us square. And then we're just going to put a pencil over there at that end and just ride along. It's going to be a two-person job to keep this all straight. Just ride along there with a pencil over there, just marking it as the curve changes. Hey, Keith from the future here. Have you noticed what we did wrong? I'm sure the super sharp crayons out there were already screaming at us. We were having a very dull crayon moment. We even went so far as to cut it out and wonder why it didn't fit. But I'll save you from sitting through that. Basically, when you scribe a piece of plywood, you need to scribe it on the other side that's next to where it will ultimately go. Otherwise, you're actually scribing inverted, or backwards, or whatever. Essentially, you're scribing the other side of the plywood, which would make that side fit to the outside of the hole. Hi, future Keith. This is a reminder video. So we need to film a video talking about how we messed this up.
Yeah. Alright, we've
got our notch in this. Let's try this again. So I think we don't have to worry as much about being. Looks like you're getting pretty good, right? And Keith is doing this because he has better knees than me. Alright, check the foot. Fit is good. Now we're just gonna have to trim this later, bring this to center line. We'll trim that once we figure out what kind of hatch we're gonna put in here. So now that we know what we're doing, let's put the next one in and do the scribing and all that. What if we just flip this over and see if it's the same
On that side?
Yeah, on the starboard side, and if it is the same,
just use this
just
as a template.
template. Yeah, that's not cheating, right?
That's not cheating.
That's not cheating.
No. All right.
Yeah, we'll edit this part out. Well, maybe you can just jump over the other side now.
Just getting to stretch our beautiful epoxy job. It looks like it's fitting.
This is not looking good. Got down to 55 degrees. That 84, I think that's from last week. 55 degrees is probably from this week. Not good for epoxy. So this is where we left off. I lost some footage.